Are you truly in control of your desires, or do they control you? Lust isn't just a bad habit, it's a silent destroyer of your mind, relationships, and future. But here's the thing, if you understand it deeply, you can take back control. In this video, I'm revealing 4 powerful insights that will change the way you deal with lust forever. Lust destroys love. Lust and love are opposites, and they can't live together in the same space. Lust makes you selfish. It's about taking, controlling, and using others. Love, on the other hand, is selfless. It's about giving, understanding, and respecting. When you let lust dominate your thoughts, it turns people into objects. This destroys your ability to form real connections. Imagine meeting someone who could be your soulmate, but your mind is too focused on their appearance to see their heart. Every time you choose lust, you lose love. The question is, do you want to experience real deep connections? Or are you willing to settle for temporary pleasure that leaves you empty? Lust's silent trap, the power of isolation. Lust thrives in isolation because silence gives it room to grow unchecked. When you're alone, there's no accountability, no external voice to remind you of what's right. This creates the perfect environment for lust to take over, feeding on the absence of connection and leaving you trapped in a cycle of guilt and indulgence. Breaking this cycle starts with choosing connection over secrecy. Opening up to a trusted friend or mentor isn't just sharing a burden. It's a powerful step towards self-mastery. When you bring your struggle into the light, you're holding yourself accountable, replacing guilt with responsibility, and weakening lust's grip on your life. Connection isn't just an escape from isolation, it's the key to reclaiming control. The poison of corn. Let's be real, corn isn't just a harmless escape. It's a poison that rewires your brain. Every time you watch it, you're training your mind to expect unrealistic, unhealthy ideas about relationships. It disconnects you from reality and makes it harder for you to connect with real people. Corn is an addiction, and like any addiction, it traps you in a cycle of needing more and feeling less satisfied. If you're serious about breaking free from lust, cutting out corn is non-negotiable. Replace it with activities that build you up, reading, exercising, or even just spending time with real people. Don't let something so destructive take control of your life. Starve the fire. Lust is like a fire. The more you feed it, the stronger it grows, and you feed it every time you entertain certain thoughts, scroll through specific posts, or expose yourself to triggers. But here's the good news. If you starve the fire, it dies out. Start by identifying what fuels your lust. Is it specific accounts on social media, certain websites, a habit of letting your mind wander? Cut those triggers out of your life. Protect your mind as if it's your most valuable possession, because it is. When you starve the fire, you take control, one decision at a time. Lust isn't just a battle against temptation, it's a battle for your future and your self-respect. Every time you let lust win, it chips away at your confidence, your relationships, and your potential. But here's the truth, you're not powerless. By focusing on real love, breaking out of isolation, cutting off toxic habits like corn, and starving the triggers that fuel your desires, you're reclaiming control over your life. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each choice to fight back makes you stronger, so ask yourself, how much longer will you let lust dictate your life? The decision to break free is yours, and the time to act is now. Your future self will thank you for choosing strength over